Hi guys, it's me Bella, and I'm sorry I'm not showing my face because, well, it's a total mess. Because I just woke up. And yeah, so I'm ready to do the video today about how to make a homemade slow rising squishy. Here we go. First you're going to want to take this. Oh, never mind. Not a bag. What am I talking about? Open. And then you'll need some cotton. Cotton. Any kind of cotton. Actually, it has to be cotton, though. Can't be anything else. Can't be fluff. It needs to be cotton. Actually, maybe it could be fluff. I never know. I just use cotton. Okay, then you'll need a Ziploc bag, baggie. Okay, I already wrote my face on it, as you can see. You can write something on it, you don't have to, but you can. Okay, so then you need that, and then you'll need a marker if you're going to write something on here. And you need something to poke with, using this. Because you'll need to poke holes through it to make it slow rising. Or else it wouldn't be slow rising, there'll be air in it and stuff like that. So let's get started. So first, you'll need your Ziploc baggie and your cotton. So put your cotton in the bag. And just zip it up. Oh, sorry guys, it doesn't usually take me this long. Okay, I got it. You want to make sure there's nothing open. No split. Then you want to organize it to where you want your cotton to be at. Then you know it's time for your poker. Poke at least 4 or less holes. Can't be 1 though. It's easy to poke in my bag. Now when you try to do this, it's this. Probably can't see it slow rising, but it is surely slow rising. And guys, I'm ordering I don't know how many I'm ordering about 4 squishies, okay? It should be coming in the mail soon, so I'll do a video of that. It's a strawberry, a mango, and that big watermelon, and that smells like a watermelon, and what is it? Oh yeah, that tiny little whale, you see? Well, that too. And they're all slow rising, so I'm going to be getting that. All of them were $1 each. But the whale one was $2, I think. And free shipping, so. It's coming from China, so that's what makes it hard for me, because I don't get it, and I don't get it until a few months, because, it takes a while, because it's a different country. Ugh. But yeah, so you could have wrote your face on your bag. Yeah. So yeah, I really hope you liked my video today, and I'll do more videos soon. I don't know if I'm gonna do a video every day, but I know I will do a video days. That's probably why I barely have any videos. I'm sorry for that. And don't forget to check out my friend's channel. It's Jayla Preston. And yeah, I hope you liked my video. Well, yeah, bye.